Saw a shark.
There it is. Dave thought he caught something, and his catch got upgraded to a bigger catch. And we thought he had a Goliath grouper, but no, he got him a shark. Whoa! He got him off. Woo! Look at him, Dave. He's sweating.
Sweating.
That ain't from that shark splashing him. Probably wishes that he did. That was a little experience.
Damn.
All right, well, hey, good release.
That was a good release.
Yeah, high five.
That was, yeah, that was,
We're gonna
that
tell
was
you
some
about,
pressure, buddy, putting on that fish.
We're gonna send the GoPro down here. We're gonna see what's down here. This place
There
is
is a